and welcome back to my channel, dear viewers. So in today's video I'm going to be talking and doing a lot of videos because this is hashtag Shadi Saga series. This series will go till 5 videos that will be going for wedding season, and it is going very helpful for brides. So brides, put your hands up and let's start this video. And if you like this video, do give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment on your favorite things, like anything you like. So let's go to the video, and the purchase links are also mentioned in the description down below, so you can check it. So let's start the video. So the first of all, I'm going to be talking about moisturizer for skin. So the first thing, I have this Nivea Soft Tropical Fruit Moisturizer. This is a very newly launched product, guys. You will get it in anything like Nika or Flipkart or Amazon. I will give the purchase link down. So the price of this is 85. This will work for all skin types. This is my one-time favorite and I love this. I would like to get one more bucket of this because I like this. The fragrance is also very soothing and calming to your uh, skin. Okay, so one more option I have for moisturizer is this Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is for dry and complicated skin. This will give you a little bit of oily type of fresh glow. So I have used this so much, guys. I love the fragrance of this. This doesn't bring moisture to the skin at all, but I will definitely recommend you this moisturizer, which is affordable also and good for your skin as well. Okay, now I'm going to be talking about some products that are good for your skin. Like there are some products which are absolutely good and soothing to your skin, and they work really nice to your skin. So the price may be high for some people, but definitely I will tell, if you invest on the skincare, you will definitely get good results, guys. So I would like to get the products that I like. So the product is Neutrogena Hydro Boost a gel creme, which I have right over there. I have to get it. So this is a gel based formula, and this looks so sleek and so nice, guys. I really love this. I think this will go for 800 or 2000 something. Okay, so I will give the purchase link of this as well. But definitely, guys, if you invest something good for your skin, they will work really good to your skin, guys. So yeah, you can try it. So next I'm gonna be talking about toners. So toners are this Khadi Pure's face freshener, which is my all-time favorite. But if you want some affordable ones, I have this Gulabari's as well. This is cleanse, moisturizes and refreshes. This is 45 and this is 120. I will definitely recommend this because this is again, I'm gonna be telling the same. If you invest something good for your skin, it will work really good for your skin. So this is one of my favorite. I have used till this much. This is amazing product. I like this amazing. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is foundation. So foundation, I have this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the tube packaging. So this is 115 Ivory Matte Plus Poreless, and the price of this is 299 for foundations. It is a really cheaper option. You can get in all shades, 35 shades or 24 shades. So yeah, this is my favorite foundation still now. I am using this since like 2 months now, and I love this thing. Okay, so that's it for foundations. Now let us come for baking our stuffs like face baking and all those. So for that I have this Lakme 925 Radiance Compact. If you searching for compact, this is absolutely amazing product. This is 150, and let me tell you how much it looks like. This looks really sleek packaging, and this is the compact. This is the sponge applicator, and this is one of my favorite compacts. And for baking loose powders, this is one of my favorite. This is affordable as well. This is only 8 rupees, guys. I'm not kidding you. So this is Pond's Deep Flour fragrant talc. I really like this for baking purposes. I really will tell you that that is a amazing product. So now let us talk about some skincare stuff, or you can make DIY stuffs like anything. So I have this essential oil from Good Vibes, and this will make your sleep better, your skin better, your hair better, but you have to use this with a carrier oil. I have shown this in one of my hauls. So this is the product, and let me tell you the price, and the price is 165. So that is my essential oil, and I really like that thing. So for highlighters, I have this highlighter. I really like this, and this is so pigmented, you guys. You love this. You will definitely going to love this. So this is the pigmentation, this is the stuff. This is so glowy and dewy. This is my favorite product. And okay, let me tell you the price. And the price is not written. I will mention in the description. Please check that out. Okay guys, this video is going so long. I don't want it to go so long. So that is one of my favorite highlighters. Now for eyeliner, this is my one-time favorite eyeliner. This is amazing product, and this is Lakme 925 eyeliner. I discussed about this in so many videos. Like, you guys already know this product. This is my favorite, and this is has stolen my heart. This is amazing product. You have to get it. Like this is so fast drying, guys. You don't have to blink. If you blink, it will not get on your eyelid. It is just amazing product. You have to get it. So for lipsticks, now I'm gonna be talking about lipsticks now. So for bridal stuffs, lipstick is must. You have to get reddish or maroonish kind of lipsticks. So here I have a lot of options. So this is the Color Bars Nautical lipstick. This is one of my favorite Color Bars lipstick that I have tried in my life. And this is my I Amsterdam's liquid lipstick, and the price of this is 199. I got some discount. You have to check that. And this is Sephora's lipstick. This is not budget friendly. I won't tell you the price. This is $10. So this is the price of this. You won't get it in any shop, so I'm sorry about that. So this is the mini pony lipstick in the shade enthusiastic orange, and this is also my favorite product. So these were the 4 lipsticks which I love, and I will give the purchase links of all the 4 lipsticks. Now let us get contour. So this is my recent purchase. I haven't tried this for so long. Like, this is Sugar's D-Force Contour D-Force Mini Bronzer. This is in the shade 01 Top Topper, and just see, guys, this is so sleek packaging. I really like this. The pigmentation is also good. This is a really warm tone brown shade for your contouring. So I really like that bronzer. So we are almost at end of our video. So for kajals, I have this two options. This is Colossal's kajal and this is Elitine's kajal. This is 120 and this is 199. I guess I'm telling it right. Yeah, 199. So this is one of my favorite products. This is affordable as well and this is good as well. So you have to try that. So that's the end of my video. That was my basic skincare stuffs you would like to get. So this is for bridal skincare. If you are a bride and searching for some good makeup products under 1,000 rupees, so here are the products. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to buy some of these products, you can get it in the description down below. So thank you guys for watching. Bye, lot of love, and bye. I will meet you guys tomorrow and the second video of Shadi Saga series. Bye.